So guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you the upgrade of this Portobello road. Yeah, this road was upgraded last year and they are still working on it. So we want to see the progress and so far where they have reached. Yes, this is Portobello going to Nakawa. And you can see the construction is still going on. Come on. And that road goes to Luzira. So guys, let's go. That road goes to Luzira, that one. To go the other side, it will be another video. But so far, let me take you on this adventure. So guys, I don't know if you're seeing me, but I'm going to show you this road of Portobello straight to the upgrade, straight to Nakawa, and you see. So far this the dust is not there. They call it this nani. They call it Tamak Maram. You know those words disturbing. I think they are going to put flowers in the middle of the road. But it's nice, at least. You know, this road had so many potholes. Feel me? Yeah, I want to go to the middle. The sun is currently behind me, so if I face myself, the camera, you won't see me very well, but yeah guys, so this is the upgrade I'm showing you of Portobello, the road, and it's not bad. Just they are remaining to work on this site where people can move, because this is the road, and to plant the trees. I think that's, and also to install the street lights. Yeah, but so far so good. Those who know Silver Springs Hotel, that's where I am right now. Even there's a school, the Ark Kindergarten. This road used to be bad. So even because of the road, there are some ongoing projects because of the new road. You see, condominiums are being constructed, as you can see. But if it wasn't worked on, all this wouldn't be here. I'm telling you guys. So Uganda police, where are they going? If you see the drainage down, they gave it enough space. So this is the walkways, guys. Guys, where I'm moving, this is the walkway. Yeah, this is the walkway, but still they haven't done it yet. I want to show you guys the middle when you cross, but because it is a slope, cars are moving so fast. This is nice. Literally, this is nice, and I know this road is going to develop faster. People are going to construct nice things across the road. I'm telling you, we shall be back when it is fully completed, and you will tell me. But am I even allowed to move in the middle? Because I can see they have already put the soil. Hope the government doesn't leave it like this for another like 4 years because there's no dust. Please. One project and we complete it. Very nice. Guys, even you can tell by the look of those buildings. The dust on them can tell you that which dust used to be on this road. My God. See. Look. All those people are going to upgrade those buildings. They are going to put nice color. Like there's a road which goes up there. I think I need to go up there and show you. Look what I was telling you guys. Here in the middle, they are going to be putting some nice plants. Here in the middle. Hope they don't knock me. Maize in the middle of the Only this woman is very beautiful. Give her the voice because of her beauty. What this will be the what? What they put lights here? This is nice. Nakandi, if you're watching my vlog, they give you the votes because of your beauty. Look, guys. That road goes about where I don't know. But look at the beauty, guys. Look, this is going to be a junction. I'm from that side. Guys, still, let me think you're still following. Even if I've started constructing bonds. Look. So what I've told you, because of the road, because when I've started constructing, I think this will be a bond. By the look of things, this is Portobello Road. Okay, Portobello Road. Yeah, so far they are doing what they promised. So far, they are doing what they promised. Even they have where they're going to pass the electrical wires down there. Nice. But about that, they're honking at me. Funny. I wanted to prank this lady, but she's goddamn pregnant. Not goddamn. God good. So Portobello Road, the government is doing as it promised. At least. By the way, by the look of things, on the bad side, this road goes up to Luzira prison. So if you commit unlawful issues, my brother, you may use this road whereby you are being taken to the cells to serve your chibokos, canes, telling you. But apart from that, also it leads to the beach. Yes, very nice. I think I've reached the barracks. That is the barracks. So guys, how is the upgrade? And it goes up to Nakawa. Yes, man. Even they are still working on that side, up there, but I cannot go there because of the dust. Police everywhere because it's election season. Yesterday we voted, so as even you can see, they are probably pouring sand here to make the pavements already. Yeah, that's the barracks. I don't want to show more of the barracks. So guys, I had reached the barracks, so I had to switch off. I had to switch off. This way in the middle. I want to show you in the middle, guys. They are working on it. Also, this is the barracks, but I don't care. Hostels on the other side. Mobs hostels, guys. This side up, that's still the barracks. Yep. You see, the pavers. It means they are putting it from the side of Nakawa to the sides of Portobello, Luzira. These ones, and you can see my shadow, but those ones. These are walkways. Hostels are that side, not these hostels. the roads are kind of empty because of election season. So guys, according to my observation, if you guys are staying down there, let me first pass them. So I've passed them. So guys, I was telling you, according to my observation, the road is nice. They are doing what they promised, which is nice. Hope we are waiting for them to completely finish it. And yeah, it is nice. Just mentioning a few things, the lights, these things, the walkways. I think, and planting in the middle there, the grass. Yeah, so guys, I love you. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.